Yo, what's up guys, this is intenseiPodTUTS, and today I'll be showing you how to clean your headphone jack. Just grab your iPod 3G, 2nd G, whatever it is. iPod right here. And basically what you can do is you're going to take a cotton thing, Q-tip as I call it. Take one of these, and then basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to one of the cotton ends and just pull off until it is able to fit in your headphone jack. Just do that so it's nice and skinny. Alright, that should work. I'm just trying to roll it out. I take your iPod and just put that in there. Kind of turn it a bit. Pull it out. Looks pretty good. Do that again. Oh, we got quite a bit off there. I've done this twice and I just got quite a bit of shit out of there. I don't know if you guys probably can't see it. But anyway. So I think, and if you get a lot out, you can just do that again. You might want to get a couple Q-tips if you seem to get a lot out the second time also. You guys already know. So basically that should work about your headphones being fuzzy or anything like that. That was basically my problem. My headphones are fucked up so many times. I had experience with so many stuff that experiment so much stuff, and eventually something will work. And I'm not disassembling my iPod. I'm not taking the risk or taking it in or anything. Fuck that. I'm too lazy. That's home supplies. So basically that will help if your headphones are fuzzy. And if that does not work to your liking, or it didn't work that much at all, it guaranteed it will work a little bit with cleaning it out. But if that doesn't work, you can also, what you can do is you can take one of your Q-tip, or if you have several, one of them, and just basically take one of the sides that you had taken the cotton off of, and just dip it in some peroxide or fill with alcohol, something that has a lot of alcohol in it, or nail polish, that might work. Anything like that, and just dip that in there, wipe it off maybe a little bit so it's not dripping wet. Put it in the iPod. Fail. Put it in there. So yeah, that's basically it. For more awesome iPod tutorials and videos about iPods and such, subscribe, follow my channel, comment on if there's any questions or something that you want me to find out how to fix. But anyway, thanks guys. Subscribe.